How to set cellular data to automatically turn off when we are at home. Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how you can automatically turn off cellular data when you're at home and that way save you the internet. Since we use the phone in all environments and since we have a Wi-Fi network at home, the process of turning off the cell phone when we are at home is always desirable for saving data. Now there is a way to automate it. We will open the Shortcuts application on our iPhone. In the lower menu, we will select the Automation section. When the section has opened, tap on the New Automation button. In the list of options, we will find Arrive and tap on it. In the new menu, we can choose at what time we want this action to be carried out, as well as the location where we want it to be carried out. We will also choose to run this option immediately by selecting the Run Immediately option. We select the location where we want this CADIan to be performed by tapping the Choose button. We will assume that I am currently at home, so we will select Current Location and tap the Done button in the upper right corner. After that, we will tap on the Next button. In the next window, we will select New Blank Automation. In the Automation settings, we will tap on the Add Action button to add an action. In the search field, type Cellular and select the Toggle Cellular Plan option. After that, we will change the option to Off, and that's it. We will tap on the Done button in the upper right corner to confirm our choice. That's it now. Whenever we get home, our cellular data will be automatically turned off. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more iOS tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.